She's glowing, it's subtle. We're putting balls on her face. What's up guys, I'm Ashley Graham, host of American Beauty Star on Lifetime, and today it's my turn to create the look. Oh, I'm a little scared. I'm here today with Cosmo editor, Emma.
Hi.
And I'm gonna get her holiday ready, only using what's inside this mystery box. Ready?
Yes.
Let's get this party started. Okay then, there are cranberries. What the actual F am I gonna do with cranberries?
I have no idea.
Jingle bells? Jingle bell, yeah. Candy cane, which honestly, you wanna split it with me?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, so we got a couple candy canes. Oh, and a Santa hat. What I had to create is a juicy lip and rosy cheek. And I also have to give you a highlight. And I have to give you a cat eye. I can't even give myself
really
a cat
hard.
eye. I'm guessing these cranberries are gonna be your juicy lip and rosy cheek.
Yeah, I think that's all we got.
Do we just like squirt it?
Sure.
Oh, wow.
wow.
I've never done this before.
I did not anticipate that that was going to.
So,
Okay, sure.
I'm getting this dirty, guys. Give me like a, Okay, so we're gonna blot the lip here. And because it's a little, because it's a little watery, we're just gonna rub it in. I feel like this is gonna stain, so you're screwed. Ha ha! Look at how beautiful and high these cheekbones are, honey. Actually, I think what we should do is take a little bit of the setting powder, and we have a little bit of blush here too. Why don't we just kind of grind that a little bit up? And then, yes, okay. Look at it, it's like turning into a little paste.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Oh
that's
yeah,
a lot.
no, this is good. I need
Okay.
a little more, because the cranberry juice is juicy.
Very, yeah.
Just give it to me. There, we're making a paste.
It's actually kind of a nice color.
It is. Oh, look at what's happening
Oh my
here.
gosh.
I like using natural products. I mean, you know, in my makeup bag at home, I always carry cranberries. Also, I think it should go on the eyelids a little bit.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah,
I trust you.
yeah. You know, pink is definitely a trend right now. And I like doing it and adding a little gloss just to keep it shiny. So we gotta do a highlight, and we also have to do an eyeliner. I think what we should do is kind of get some of the glitter off of it, maybe?
Can we do that?
Like, can we break it? Okay, shadow primer from Revlon. We get a little bit of that. And then I wonder if we,
Oh.
Brilliant. There we go. Okay, okay. Highlight.
Ooh.
Boom! Shaka
Am I
laka laka
glowing?
laka. She's glowing, it's subtle. We're putting balls on her face. I don't know if this is working, but bada bing, bada boom. I'm gonna Santa hat you, girl. A girl always needs a little concealer.
Exactly.
Oh my God, I hope somebody cleaned this.
This is very weird
This
feeling.
this is not the ideal situation, but the product is going on beautifully.
How's it working with the rosy cheek? Are we?
I think the rosy cheek is gone.
So what if we just kept it wrapped and then used it as like a guide?
Thank God you're here.
Or do what I can.
Oh God. Can you keep your eyes closed but not flutter them?
I can do my best.
Okay. Ooh, I'm terrible at eyeliner, but that is amazing. Oh, I think I did a little bit better on this one. Let's make it a little thicker. I mean, oh, I think the thickness just ruined it. I'm just gonna finish this whole look off with a smoky eye. You know, cranberry is not a makeup remover.
No, it is not.
Well, I did my best. I gave you a rosy cheek, rosy lips, eyeliner, and a little highlighter with all the utensils I was given. I wouldn't suggest trying this at home, but I would suggest you having fun at this holiday season. So make sure to check out season 2 of American Beauty Star on Lifetime. Mwah!